Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to make this skull cap wig. So this is beginner friendly. All you have to do, watch this video to the end and pay close attention. So as you can see, I'm just showing you the packet hair that I use. You can use your what's it called again, you can use any short coily weave on to achieve this razor cut or skull cap, depending on what you know it as. Okay, so I'm going to use what you see here is my spray gel to give this gum an extra hold. Okay, so you are going to cut the hair, you are going to cut this the wig, the weave-on extension. You are going to divide it into two, okay, so that it will be lighter, because if you use it like that, it's going to be more thicker. You get, just keep watching, you're going to see how I did it. So when you are gumming your wig on the cap, make sure that it is close enough. Okay, don't give too much space. Okay, as you can see, I used my dummy head. Because I wanted it to give me that human head illusion, you get, so that I think this one is more better than using the dummy cap. That was why I used it. And guys, I impute my head size on this dummy head. Okay, I used super glue to glue the cap according to the head size. Okay, so this is what I'm just saying. You have to use your razor and divide the weave into two. So if you are making your skull cap with any colored hair, always make sure that the gum does not stain the extension. You get, you have to be very, very careful, unlike when you are doing black. Okay, so as you can see, this is blonde, and I have to be very careful when I'm putting on the gum on this weave, so that it's not going to stain the extension. You get, so I don't want to talk too much or explain too much, because this video already is a self-explanatory video. Okay, so just watch to the end and drop a comment. If you have any video request, also drop it in the comment section. Okay, enjoy the video and make sure that you press the like button and share this video. So guys, as you can see, I'm done. Okay, I'm just showing you what it looks like after you are done. You get? So the next part is shaving it. I searched around if I can get this comb that has razor in it, but I couldn't see. Okay, so I have to use razor, and this is my first time making this kind of wig. I've never done it before, honestly. Okay, and I feel like the next one is going to be much more better than this one. So I was looking for that razor, that comb that has razor in it, because I feel like it will direct me more, but I did not see it. I have to just use razor with faith. Okay, one advice for you: if you want to do this razor cut thing, if you want to cut it, okay, why combine it? Just comb it slant, comb the other side, and then you start shaving the hair. But first of all, I have to part out the front first. From ear to ear, you part out the front from ear to ear. So guys, this is the finished look after I was done shaving. You can see I don't like leaving much hair. You get? That's why I always like to gum it closer to each other. So what do you think about this wig? Let me know in the comment section. I think because I shaved this hair on a dummy, I feel like I didn't really get the shaving so well, but I'll do better next time. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and would you try this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you in my next one, and don't forget to press the like button, drop a comment, share this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that any post from me you get notified.